we have some big breaking news coming in from the national capital, where we have got the inside scoop of the Mahayuti meeting with the BJP top brass, where we learn that there are a series of meetings that are lined up, starting with Fadnavis meeting Amit Shah at 6:30 p.m. After which, at 7 p.m. is the crucial meeting that Eknath Shinde, the caretaker CM of Maharashtra, is going to hold with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And then later at around 9 p.m. is what we learn that Ajit Pawar will be holding a key meet with Amit Shah. So the three top Mahayuti leaders are in the national capital today. There are deliberations over who is going to be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister and over how will the government formation be. And in the same regard, the three top Mahayuti leaders, Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, are there in the national capital, where they will be meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda later today in the evening. We'll keep all eyes on that crucial meeting. Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar are already in the national capital. Eknath Shinde, I believe, is en route to Delhi. And we have Alisha and Sandeep joining us live on the broadcast to track this top story. Alisha, coming to you first. You have tracked Maharashtra politics very closely. The crucial meeting today comes in the wake of the government formation. Devendra Fadnavis will be meeting Amit Shah. After that is when Eknath Shinde will be meeting Amit Shah. Do you believe that this meeting will finalize on who is going to be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister?
Well, Tanisha, we know that it has already been finalized, but it's just they are waiting for an official announcement, and which is most likely tomorrow, because it's also Mahayuti meeting which is going to happen tomorrow in Mumbai. But today meeting is also very crucial because at 6:30 p.m. where Devendra Fadnavis, a former Deputy Chief Minister, will be meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah at his residence in the national capital. He's already in Delhi and been meeting the Member of Parliament, also the BJP MPs as well. And on the other hand, it will be Eknath Shinde, caretaker Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is going to meet Amit Shah at around 7 p.m. and at 9 p.m. where Ajit Pawar, who is going to meet Amit Shah. So there are different timings of the meeting, the series of meeting where Amit Shah is going to hold with the Mahayuti top leaders in the national capital, and tomorrow where the Mahayuti leaders will hold an important meeting where we are expecting an official announcement of the Chief Minister post. Yesterday, where we know that Eknath Shinde made it very much clear the decision that will be taken by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah on the Chief Minister phase will be accepted, and there will be no obstacle that will be taken forward from the Shiv Sena, and that is the word has been given by Eknath Shinde over a telephonic conversation that he had with the Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. So it's a very clear way path that has been made by Eknath Shinde, mentioning that whatever the phase will be, the decision that will be taken by the Prime Minister will be the final words.
Right, Alisha. Riyanka, coming to you, you are outside Amit Shah's residence where the key meeting is likely to take place anytime now. Talk us through what arrangements have been put into place. What's the action on the ground like?
See, the security deployment is quite high here outside Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, and as you can see in my background, there are barricades that are put on. This is a usual scenario outside the Home Minister's residence, but today special security measures have also been taken because there is going to be arrival of the three top leaders of the Mahayuti, and at around 6:30 we are expecting Devendra Fadnavis to come here and meet Home Minister Amit Shah, and then at around 7 p.m. We are expecting the meeting with the Home Minister Amit Shah and Eknath Shinde, who is the caretaker Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and the last meeting that is with Ajit Pawar, that is slated to tentatively happen at around 9 p.m. So all of these are tentative plans that we have gathered from our sources, but as of now no movement here around Amit Shah's residence, but yes, security is quite tightened here, and we are expecting movement of these top three leaders of the Mahayuti to come hold this crucial meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the cabinet portfolios, and the most important is who will be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. That name needs to be finalized.
Right. Sandeep, coming to you, There was a slight disagreement in the Mahayuti about who is going to be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister, because on one hand, while the Ajit Pawar MLAs were backing Devendra Fadnavis, there was the Shinde Sena who was calling for Eknath Shinde as the Maharashtra Chief Minister. However, yesterday it was Eknath Shinde who cleared the air, saying that he unconditionally supports the BJP and that the BJP top brass's decision will be the final one. Has the difference between the Ajit Pawar camp, between the BJP and the Shinde camp been sorted now after the Eknath Shinde press conference that was held yesterday?
See, a kind of pressure was built by Eknath Shinde faction leaders till yesterday, until Eknath Shinde in fact cleared the air that he is not in the race of Chief Minister. Rather, he mentions that he had got a call from Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he said that they would in fact give unanimous support to the Mahayuti government. And he in fact cleared that the Chief Minister would be in fact decided by Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and whatever the face would be and whoever it would be, it will be in fact accepted by the Mahayuti unanimously. Right. So yes, the pressure was in fact built by the Eknath Shinde faction, but after yesterday press conference, the things were very much clear that the dispute over Chief Minister post is no more, and in fact now it is the BJP top brass to officially announce and decide the Chief Minister post. What we are hearing that it would be Devendra Fadnavis, but yes, it would be the top brass of Bharatiya Janata Party to announce the official name of the Maharashtra Chief Minister.
Right. Right, Sandeep and Riyanka there. Thank you for sharing us with all those details. We'll keep coming back to you as we build up to the big meeting of the Mahayuti leaders with the BJP top brass in the national capital today. All eyes are on the official announcement of who is going to be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister.